see you take off.
No, because Santos, this is not really heavy.
It's really strong.
I told you, I gotta lose weight. Last time, you remember, a long time ago, I tried to lose weight, but very hard to do that. So this time I say, I'm gonna do it, so no more tortilla, but...
Oh, it's hard.
Yeah, for me, yeah, because we always eat tacos, pupusas, and all the shit, you know, have a masa, quesadillas, burrito, homie. Sí.
This is a delivery from Moses. Wow, Moses.
Starving, I haven't had food, I haven't had breakfast, I'm dying.
But you had alcohol.
What's your alcohol?
I had a lot of cigarettes.
Oh, those cigarettes?
Yeah, a lot of cigarettes.
Here you go. Pineapple, jalapeno, and H. Ham?
Ham, yes.
It's from Rafalos, it's good.
Pepperoni. What is it called?
Rafalos, it's good.
Let's see what's in here. Wow. Ooh, ranch. Good call. 3, 2. What the hell is this?
That's really good, it's buffalo.
Alright, now let's look at the other special.
This is good.
That looks disgusting too.
Oh, you want to see the other one? You're gonna die.
Look, the best pizza in the world. It's buffalo chicken.
New York has the best pizza, right?
No, this is good. This is like quality stuff.
That looks terrible.
No, you guys have to try it.
I have a headache today.
Oh, stop smoking cigarettes and eating desserts.
Yeah, that's true.
It doesn't feel like LA right now. Let's rent this place. We're like in the craziness of Hollywood right now. We are currently in the Rolls Royce Wraith, the last Rolls Royce Wraith model. It is a black badge, so it's technically the nicest Wraith model. As you can see, it has, you know, the black badge carbon fiber everywhere. It's got a black and red interior, of course, it matches the exterior. And something very special about this car is actually the matte black that you see on it is factory. It's factory matte black Rolls Royce color. The whole thing was actually matte black, but the top half of it has been wrapped in a gloss clear bra. And we just also installed a set of RDB wheels. These are the RDB 22 wheels, we call it, because it has 22 spokes, but they are 24-inch, and of course paired up with Pirelli tires. It's been lowered, it drives great, it looks amazing. We've already solidified this look a long time ago, and it's amazing to see in 2022 we're still working on this beautiful Wraith, because this is still, you know, one of my favorite coupe cars out there with the suicide doors and all that. And you know, like I said, these things drive excellent. They're very reliable, actually. People don't realize how reliable this car is. You have zero issues with it. Everything is like flawless on this car. So again, it's the ultimate luxury coupe in my opinion. And you can make it look like this. I mean, what car looks like this? You know, it's insane. It's got the suicide doors, it's got the big old grille in the front, has the crystal spirit of ecstasy, and like I said, it came in matte black. So the last of its breed. The next Rolls Royce Wraith is going to be called the Spectra, I believe, and it's going to be all electric. They've been testing it. I heard they just tested it in Alaska or something. They're doing all the cold weather testing. So let's see how that's going to go. It's going to kind of look like the Wraith, which is cool, but it's going to be all electric. And I don't think we're hating on that, because for a luxury car to be even quieter, it's going to be really dope, even though this car is pretty quiet. But yeah, let us know what you think about the all electric Rolls Royce Wraith coming out. But yeah, we're done with another Wraith, and we have much more to do right now. So let's go back to the shop.
What's that for?
Sealing the hole, because over here is a spot when you glue the two pieces. So I fill it up with the sealer. This car gonna be nice.
Yeah?
Yeah. I do some extra thing, and this one is come out good. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Why did you get to put the license plate on? You did all the work?
No, try to do something.
It's teamwork.
It got boring inside the office all
You didn't do
day,
anything.
sitting. You have to do something. Make sure it's the right screw, right?
I don't even think this is the right screw. Now we're good.
Thank you, Moses.
That's it. Wide body kit done. There you go. This is more harder than doing the wide body kit.
What happened? Why you
Putting on
didn't
a
put this
plate.
one?
We don't need it. It's temporary. We're gonna put his plates back on. That's right.
Well, that's right.
Yeah. Whose screwdriver is this?
Yeah, that's a good answer. Smart. That's why he has no hair, because he's very smart.
All right, guys, wide body Urus, another one. I mean, it's getting super repetitive. I'm sorry about that, but you know, it's what we do. It's what RDB does. We actually build cars. We don't stick wheels on them and make YouTube videos. We actually build wide bodies every single week. So we're able to show you guys new builds all the time, twice a week. This is actually another 1016 Industries carbon fiber wide body kit. This is on a beautiful factory metallic gray color. Super hard color to actually color match without blending, and that's what we did. And looks incredible, super clean. This customer had already purchased Novitec wheels, and they were stock fitment, so we had to do big adapters and put them on. They are 23-inch, not 24s. It looks honestly really clean. It's not the setup we're super used to, where it's slammed and, you know, super flush. And obviously everything has been painted to spec. The whole roof has been taken apart and painted gloss black. We didn't wrap it. Customer wanted that nice gloss black finish, so we took the antenna off, all that stuff off, and we painted it gloss black as well. We have a few little things left on this. This car's from Arizona, got shipped over here. It's gonna ship back, so a little bit more little details to do. We gotta install a radar detector in there and all that kind of stuff, and then it's gonna go back to Arizona. So hope you guys enjoy another one.
Hey, what's up, man?
Show up every like 5 years?
I came to talk to you about White Sands.
Who's White Sands?
It's a new metaverse on OpenSea, and they were on Fox News today. Basically, what it is it's a place where there's 3,000 islands and 250 villas. And basically, if you buy an island there, you get a chance to buy the villa for 5 Ether. And
I can't even pay my charter bill.
yeah, there's
Want me to buy an island?
there's gonna be cars there, everything, and it's gonna blow up. That's why I'm trying to get rid of this car for like 20 G's. I just bought it, but I need to talk to Vic because maybe we can bring your guys as NFTs into that world. So you
Vic
can
definitely doesn't want to talk to you about that.
really?
Yeah.
I told him to come, but
Yeah, he's.
don't you guys have NFTs like cars?
Yeah.
Yeah, so those cars can be brought into, people can actually drive them
On the island?
on White Sands. Yes, we have cars. They have like a Ferrari and a G-Wagon, but it hasn't been released yet. It opens up in April. It's based on Minecraft technology. By the way, this is not just a regular Mercedes. It's a twin turbo. Yeah, check this out. Like, you guys think it's a joke?
What is it, 14 miles per hour?
No. I mean, it's not a fucking Lamborghini, but look at the turbo on that side.
The engine's gonna blow up.
This is actually, I need help with this.
What is this, Hershey chocolate?
It's like giving too much fuel to that injector. Do you guys know how to reprogram that?
You tell me?
20 grand. I'll give you $1,000.
You wanna buy it? Why not?
I hate Mercedes.